Hello student, today topic is operator in Visual Basic. Operator means may be defined as a symbol which perform the specific operation. Data on which operate is called as the operand. The types of the operator, first is the arithmetic operator, second is comparison operator, third is logical operator, fourth is miscellaneous operator, first is the arithmetic operator. In the arithmetic operators, the operators are created for perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponential, modulus and the string connector. In the arithmetic operator, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, modulus. Addition means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, mod, and then string connect. In the string connect, there are two string connect value, hello world, hello connect with the string connect operator. In this way, in the arithmetic operations in perform in the arithmetic operator are created for perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponential, modulus and the string connectors. Second is comparison operator. In the comparison operator, first comparison is equal to, equality and assignment. Second is greater is used to find out the greater number. Third is less than, used to find out the lowest number. Greater than or equal to, find out the value is greater or equal, find out the value is greater or equal. Next is less than or equal to, find out the value is less or equal to, not equal to, greater than and less than. First is equality and assignment. Second is used to find out the greater number. Third is less than, used to find out the lowest number. Greater than or equal to, find out the value is greater or equal to. Less than or equal to, find out the value is less or equal to, or not equal, find out the not equal value. These types of the comparison operators are used in the Visual Basic. Next is logical operator. Third is logical operator. Logical operator are used to connect more than one condition. In the logical operator used to connect more than one condition, generally and, or, not. First is and, or, not. These types of the logical operators are used. First logical operator is and. If all the given conditions are true, then output will be the true. All the given conditions are true. All the given conditions are true. Then output will be the true. First condition in this chart, C1 C1, C2, and the output in the C1 first condition is true, C2 value is false, true false condition is false. Next, false true condition is false, false true condition is false, then true true condition is true, and then false false condition is false. In the AND operator, for true false false, false true false, true true true, and false false false. This is the AND operator. AND is the logical operator. All given conditions are true, then it will be the true. If any one condition goes in the false, then output will be the false. Next is OR. In OR operator, if any one condition is true, output will be the goes the false when all conditions are false. In the OR operator, C1 and C2, and the output C1 true false, true false, output will be the true, then false true condition is true, then true true condition is true, then false false condition is false. In the OR operator, true false, one true is also found, the output will be the true. Two false are in the condition, then the output will be the false. But in the AND operator, only true true are the true, and but true false is also false. But in the OR operator, true false true, false true true, true true is true, and false false are false. Only one false false are the false. Next is NOT operator. NOT operator are used to get reverse result. NOT operator every time gives the reverse result. C1 true, then false, result will be the false. Then false, result will be the true, true, false, false, true. Next is the miscellaneous operator. In the miscellaneous operator, any single character is denoted. Any single digit it show. Any character to set is declared in set. Any character except the character in the set. Any character except the character in the set. This is denoted by not set. First is $sign. It is denoted by any single character. Hash sign, any single digit. Star sign, 0, 1 or more than one character. 0, 1 or more than character, it is denoted by the star. Again I repeat, dollar sign is denoted by any single character. Hash is denoted by any single digit. Star, 0, any 0, 1 or more than one character. Set, any character in the set. Not set, any character except the character in the set. Next is the precedence operator. When several operator occurs, next is precedence operator. When several operation occurs in an expression, each part is evaluated and resolved in a predefined order called operator precedence. Visual Basic 6 has well-defined rule for specifying the order in which the operation in an expression are evaluated. When the expression has several operators, precedent rules can be changed if the parentheses in an expression, because parentheses have highest precedence. Example, a equal to 6 plus 5 multiplied by 8, it is depend, can be solved. A equal to 6 plus 5 multiplied by 8 equal to 88, or A equal to 6 plus 5 into 8 equal to 46. In this solution, firstly solve the parenthesis. In the parenthesis 6 plus 5 means 11 into 8, 88. In this, firstly solve the parenthesis. In the parenthesis 5 into 8 is 40, 40 plus 6 equal to 46. Visual Basic calculated such expression according to the priority given to the operator. This is called the operator precedence. The order of the precedence of all the operators. First is expansion. It is the expansion. Second is negation. Third is in the multiplication and the division. Multiplication and division. Next is integer division. Two integer number division. Modulus operator, mod, additions and subtraction. Then string concatenation, two string concatenation. Then all comparison operator, all the comparison operator equal to, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, or equal to. These types of the comparison operators is used in the precedence of the operator. In the precedence of the operator, every times bracket open parenthesis operations, in the two parenthesis operations are found in your expression. Firstly, you solve the in the multiplication and division. Firstly solve the multiplication, then solve the division. In the addition subtraction, first solve the addition, then the multiplication. In this way, comparison operator related operations also solved by their precedence. According, Visual Basic calculate this such expression according in the priority given to the operator. This is called the operator precedence. The order is given in the by the orders. Every times the expression is solved by give their proper order, and the proper order is determine the operator precedence. Next is the decision structure. as application need to build and capability to connect condition and take a different course of action depending on the outcome of the test. Visual Basic provides three decision structure. First is if then, second is if then else, and third is select case. First is if then, second is if then else, and third is select case. Firstly see the if then. In the if, firstly the if condition, then statement, then. Firstly if the condition is satisfied, then the statement, then. Firstly if in your condition is satisfied, then statement is satisfied, then part is executed. In this way the second is if then is what, then is select case. Okay, today close your session. Thank you.